Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome to another intriguing episode that promises to send a chill down your spine. Today, we're delving into the eerie, the inexplicable, the spectral realm of ghosts. We'll explore the baffling incidents that have left even the skeptics scratching their heads. And we'll also ponder whether these phantoms dwell in another dimension or are they merely figments of our collective imagination. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more spine-tingling content. So, without further ado, let's dive into the eerie world of the unexplained. Have you ever felt a sudden chill or heard an unexplained noise in the dead of the night? You may not be alone. In the realm of the unknown, stories of eerie encounters abound. People from all walks of life have reported incidents that they believe are the handiwork of unseen entities. These accounts are often tinged with fear, curiosity, and a desperate search for answers. Consider the tale of a quiet suburban home, where the family was frequently awakened by the sound of footsteps clattering down the hallway. No one was there, or the office worker who, after hours, heard hushed whispers echoing through the empty corridors. Again, he found himself alone. Then there are those chilling stories of full-blown apparitions. A woman once claimed to see the spectral image of a man in an old-fashioned suit standing at the foot of her bed, staring at her with hollow eyes. This phantom visitor would vanish as suddenly as he appeared, leaving her in a state of bewildered terror. Picture the artist who reported that his canvases would often be smeared with unknown substances overnight. He claimed that the disturbances began after he brought home an antique easel, rumored to be cursed. The artist saw no one, yet the eerie happenings continued. And who could forget the story of the old lighthouse keeper? The man insisted that he was not alone in his isolated abode. He spoke of a ghostly figure that would flicker in and out of existence, always just at the edge of his vision. He could hear the phantom's heavy boots clomping up and down the lighthouse stairs, even when he was the only person for miles around. These are just a handful of the many tales that float in the ether of the paranormal world. Each one is unique, yet they all share common threads of mystery, fear, and the inexplicable. They force us to question our understanding of reality and wonder if there is more to the world than what meets the eye. Chilling, isn't it? But are these really indications of the paranormal, or is there a rational explanation? Now, you might ask, are these ghostly encounters real, or are they just myths? A question that has been asked time and again, and one that has sparked countless debates, discussions, and even research studies. Let's delve into this gripping mystery, shall we? There are a myriad of theories that attempt to rationalize these eerie incidents, and while some are scientifically grounded, others lean towards the realm of the supernatural. Let's start with the science. One explanation chalks up ghost sightings to hallucinations. Yes, you heard that right. Hallucinations are not just restricted to those under the influence of certain substances or those suffering from mental disorders. They can occur under extreme stress, sleep deprivation, or even due to certain medications. So that spectral figure you saw in the corner of your room at 3 in the morning, it could just be your brain playing tricks on you. Another scientific theory points towards electromagnetic fields. It's been observed that high levels of electromagnetic fields can cause feelings of unease and even hallucinations. Curiously, many alleged haunted locations have unusually high electromagnetic readings. Coincidence? Perhaps, or maybe there's more to it. On the other end of the spectrum, we have theories that are a bit more otherworldly. Some believe that what we perceive as ghosts are actually spirits of the deceased, unable to move on due to unfinished business or strong emotional ties. Others propose that these apparitions are not spirits, but rather interdimensional beings. These theories suggest that there are multiple dimensions existing parallel to ours, and what we see as ghosts are beings from these dimensions, momentarily crossing over into our reality. So, we see there are many possible explanations, but what does science have to say about this? Well, stay tuned because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of spectral science in our next segment. Science, the realm of reason and logic, has its own take on ghosts. Scientifically speaking, ghosts, as we popularly understand them, remain unproven. Yet some phenomena often associated with ghostly encounters can indeed be explained through science. Take, for instance, infrasound, or sound waves with frequencies below the range of human hearing. Certain frequencies of infrasound can cause feelings of unease, dread, or even terror. They can also create illusions of shadowy figures in our peripheral vision, which could easily be mistaken for spectral apparitions. Another scientific explanation revolves around the power of suggestion. If we're told a place is haunted, our brains are primed to interpret ordinary sounds and sensations as supernatural occurrences. This is a psychological phenomenon known as priming. Electromagnetic fields, too, have been linked to ghostly experiences. High levels of electromagnetic fields can cause people to experience hallucinations, feelings of being watched, or other sensations often associated with haunted locations. However, these explanations, while compelling, do not always satisfy those who have had their own unexplainable encounters. After all, science is a tool to understand the world around us, not a one-size-fits-all answer key. In the end, the existence of ghosts remains a mystery. Science may not have all the answers, but it does provide us with some intriguing possibilities. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the stories and experiences shared by many are certainly fascinating. We've journeyed together through chilling accounts of inexplicable occurrences, delved into age-old myths and legends, and even braved the cold, calculating realm of scientific explanations. The tales we've heard are as varied as they are intriguing, from eerie apparitions witnessed in the dead of night to the mysterious whisperings that echo in the silence. But when we turned to science, we found no solid proof, only theories and conjectures. Are these spectral beings simply figments of our imagination, products of our primal fears and cultural superstitions? Or could they indeed be inhabitants of another dimension, unseen and unfathomable? The truth remains shrouded in mystery. Thank you for joining us in this spine-chilling journey. Remember, if you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep exploring the unexplained.